Here we got a 98 model Camry, replacing the transmission on the thing. Pain in the ass. Cradle's gotta be dropped halfway. Pretty disgusting job to do. That's the old transmission right there and the old converter. Amazingly, I had to pull the transmission out with the axle because I couldn't get the axle out from the tranny when it was in the car. I used a very large pry bar to pry that sucker out of there because it was in there. Hopefully this replacement transmission from the junkyard works. I know, the motor looks like shit. Took me roughly 3 hours to take the thing off by myself. We'll see how long it takes me to piece it back together. Axles do come out, obviously. The cradle's gotta be lowered on the driver's side. The rack and pinion stays on the cradle. You unhook it. Can't focus on this thing. There it is. You unhook that gizmo from here. Come on, you bitch. There it is. It unhooks from right there. It stays on the cradle. I loosened the 3 bolts on that back mount. I didn't quite remove it all the way. Exhaust pipe obviously has got to be unhooked. I was gonna do a rear main seal on this thing, but it looks dry. I'm not wasting time on that. Sway bar link on the driver's side has got to be removed. On the front motor mount, you just take that top bolt off. Yeah, quite a mess. Pretty disgusting job to do. On the passenger side, you got the long CV axle. The only thing that holds this gizmo in place is this C-clip right here. Other than that, it pulls straight out. It's got a bearing that fits in that housing right there. This thing is leaking oil everywhere. You're gonna need a timing job and cam